Who is richer? The one who has little but feels enough, or the one who has much yet always craves more? True wealth lies in contentment, while unchecked luxuries often breed poverty of spirit. 2025 UPSC asked us to reflect on contentment is natural wealth, luxury is artificial poverty, inviting us to examine the paradox of desire, how simplicity creates abundance and indulgence often creates emptiness. Let us explore this through 8 deep dimensions. Number 1, philosophy of sufficiency. Contentment turns scarcity into sufficiency. Luxuries turn plenty into dissatisfaction. Example, Gandhi's lived reality with minimal possessions, proving simplicity can be abundance. Number 2, psychology of happiness. Research shows happiness plateaus over basic needs. Luxury often adds stress, not peace. Example, Nordic nations with modest living and high trust rank high in World Happiness Report. Number 3, economy of consumerism. Luxury fuels endless desires, creating cycles of artificial poverty. Example, credit card debts in US reveal how overspending on luxury erodes security. Number 4, environment and sustainability. Luxury lifestyles strain resources while contentment preserves them. Example, fast fashion's waste contrasts with sustainable living movement that reduces ecological harm. Number 5, governance of well-being. Nations that prioritize equitable commitment foster stability. Example, Bhutan's gross national happiness index focuses on well-being over luxury-driven GDP growth. Number 6, spiritual traditions. Religions praise contentment as true wealth and condemn greed as poverty. Bhagavad Gita upholds contentment as the key virtue of balanced living. Number 7, culture and resilience. Societies rooted in simplicity endure shocks better than those addicted to luxury. Example, Japan's wabi-sabi tradition values modesty and imperfection, creating resilient lifestyles. Number 8, discontent drives change. Sometimes dissatisfaction with the present pushes society to progress. Example, discontent with the colonial exploitation in India fueled the independence struggle and ambition beyond mere contentment. Contentment is indeed the greatest wealth. It multiplies peace and gratitude. Luxury without restraint, on the other hand, deepens hunger and creates inner poverty. Yet, a measure of discontent can spark reforms and innovation. The balance lies in embracing contentment while directing ambition towards collective progress. Prosperity lies not in glitter but in attitude, not in luxury but in fairness, because wealth without contentment is poverty in disguise. Now write this, submit it to us. The first 100 essays will be evaluated completely free. If you find this reel helpful, share it with at least one person preparing for civil services, because even one idea can build a movement fueling dreams.